Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on taking screenshots on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To take a screenshot on the Kindle, you need to tap in the top right and bottom left corners simultaneously. You will know that the screenshot is being taken when the screen flashes black for a second. You can also tap the top left and bottom right corners to take a screenshot. To see your screenshot, you need to plug the Kindle into your laptop or iPad using a USB-C cable. Then open Files on your laptop and click Kindle from the Connections sidebar. Tap Screenshots. You can then browse through all of the screenshots that you've taken on your Kindle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.